Hey guys, in this video I'm explaining to you how you can get your transfer pin from the Cricket wireless app. So it's really easy and simple. So once you log into the app, go to the home screen and you want to click on the gear icon to basically enter the account info screen. This is basically the gear cog icon. And then from the account information screen, what you want to do is you want to select the appropriate CTN from line settings, okay? Then what you want to do is you want to click on get my number transfer pin to basically get your transfer pin. What you can also do is you can go ahead and contact, Cricket Wireless customer service. Really easy and simple. Contact, this is their number, 1-800-274-2538 from any device. And then when you call the customer service, you will need your account pin to basically generate the number transfer pin. Really easy and simple, guys. So there's also other ways you can go ahead and log in online and do that as well. But so those are some of the ways. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.